Hi, I'm Cyril Jean Aguilar and I will be discussing the Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a disciplined and data-driven approach widely used in project management to achieve process improvement and minimize defects. So, Six Sigma is a set of methodologies and tools na ginagamit para ma-improve yung mga processes sa isang business. Ini-improve yung mga business processes na to by reducing defects and errors, minimizing variation, and increasing quality and efficiency. So, yung parang goal ng Six Sigma is to improve the quality of products and services while reducing cost and para ma-achieve yung level of quality na almost perfect or nearly perfect. And para ma-achieve ng isang business yung nearly perfect level of quality na to, gumagamit sila ng structured approach na DMAIC, which will be discussed by the next reporter. So, ginagamit yung Six Sigma sa iba't ibang industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and service industries to improve customer satisfaction, reduce cost, and increase profits. So, for example, sa healthcare industry, the main focus of Six Sigma in healthcare is on improving patient safety and satisfaction. Nowadays, mas pinipili ng mga patients yung healthcare services based sa quality of care and level of satisfaction. So, this is where Six Sigma in healthcare comes into play. Kapag in-implement yung Six Sigma sa healthcare industry, makakatulong to to improve patient care, reduce waste, and eliminate defects like long waiting time to see a doctor and incorrect diagnosis, treatment, prescriptions, etc. Lean Six Sigma is a methodology that combines two powerful process improvement techniques, Lean and Six Sigma. Lean focuses on waste reduction and it achieves its goals by using less technical tools, whereas Six Sigma emphasizes variation reduction and tends to use statistical data analysis, design of experiments, and hypothesis testing. So, yung Lean is nakafocus sa pag-minimize ng waste and pag-maximize ng efficiency by identifying and eliminating non-value-adding activities. This involves streamlining processes, reducing defects, improving quality, and optimizing resources to deliver more value with less effort. On the other hand, Six Sigma is a statistical approach to process improvement that aims to reduce variation and defects by using data-driven decision-making. So, it involves defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling processes para ma-achieve yung consistent and predictable results. So, yung Lean Six Sigma is a fact-based na mas binibigyang pansin yung defect prevention over defect detection.
I'm Maria Cristina Bahar discuss about Six Sigma DMAIC Steps. First is decide. During the decide phases of development, nagiging pamilyar ang mataas na pamamahala sa Six Sigma methodology o anumang pamamaraan ang isinaalang-alang at sinusuri kung gaano kahusay ang diskarte at umaakop sa mga strategies and goals ng kanilang organisasyon, partikular na ang mga nauugnay sa mahusay na performance. Ang isang desisyon ay dapat gawin kung ang Six Sigma o iba pang diskarte pinapaangkupan sa mga pangangailangan ng isang organisasyon. Sa ikalawang yugto ng deployment na ito, nagsisimulang tukuyin ng mataas na pamamahala ang support and structures and steering team o kupunan ng itinatag. Dapat italaga ang mga pangkat ng antas ng korporasyon upang pangasiwaan ang malawak na deployment at sa huli, sa individual at hindi antas ng unit upang pangasiwaan ang deployment sa regionally and locally. Next is the launch. The primary efforts naman during this phase, ito ay nagpapatupad ng unang alon ng mga proyekto, kabilang ang mentoring ng green belts at black belts ng mga tinalagang coach. Yung mga coaches ay dapat na perpektong nanggaling sa mga itinalaga. Next is expand. Sa phase naman ito, pinapahiwatig ng mga pangalan, pagpapalawak ng pamamaraan sa mga division, karagdagang madalas mas malalim na antas ng organisasyon at karagdagang mga pamamaraan ng proyekto. Halimbawa nito is yung values in improvements o DFSS. Pagpapalawak ng iba't ibang uri ng proseso na maaaring hindi sinaalang-alang sa panahon ng paunang alon ng mga proyekto ay magsisimula din sa yugtong ito. Ito ay magsasama ng mga pangunahing proseso ng macro na negosyo. Halimbawa, madiskarteng pagproseso ng order, pagpaplano at pagtatakda ng presyo. Last is yung sustain. Ang sustain phase naman ay yung nilalaang upang patatagin ang mga resulta at pamamaraan na ipinatupad sa panahon ng mga naunang yugto ng deployment. Ito ang panahon kung kailan ang deployment ay nagiging nakatanim at sa kultura ng korporasyon. Ang mga layunin ng Six Sigma ay mahalaga sa anumang diskarte ng organisasyon, deployment at malawak na pag-deploy sa lahat ng unit ng negosyo. Ang Six Sigma DMAIC Steps ang nakararanas na paglalapat ng 5 hakbang ng DMAIC ay nagpapakita ng paglalakbay ng DMAIC ng koponan ay nangangailangan na unahan ng pamamahala sa pagpili ng proyekto. Ang paglalakbay ng DMAIC kasama ng 5 hakbang nito at ilan sa mga kritikal na aktibidad sa bawat hakbang.
I'm Romel B. Marcelino and i-discuss ko po yung more about Six Sigma. Yung Six Sigma daw po ay isang instrument na nakakatulong sa mga organization or companies para mag-improve yung kanilang performance. At dahil sa fundamental step ng Six Sigma na overcome ng mga organization or na isang companies kung saan sila failure or nai-struggle. And take note, yung Six Sigma is not just a quick fix para masolve yung isang problem. Ito yung way kung paano mag-operate yung isang business na nakapokus dun sa pag-i-improve. And lahat ng organization is nakaka-encounter ng pressure tulad sa pag-control sa cost, yung safety and quality, lalo na yung expectation ng mga customer. Pero dahil dun sa tulong ng Six Sigma, tinutulungan sila neto na mag-improve at makagawa ng isang long-term strategy para sa success. And hindi lang siya yung pang short-term solution lang. Next po, yung Six Sigma daw po is hindi lang siya formal program or set of rules. Yung Six Sigma daw po is operation philosophy na nakakapag-benefit sa lahat ng stakeholders, sa customer, shareholders, employees, and suppliers. And also, yung Six Sigma daw po is ini-exceed nito yung customer expectation. It's a methodology na ini-eliminate yung mga unnecessary or yung wasteful processes sa loob ng isang organization or sa isang companies. Sa pamamagitan nito, na-enhance yung overall quality na ginagawa nila at na-improve yung mga financial and time performance na loob ng isang organization. At yung Six Sigma daw po is tina-target nila yung near perfectionist na kung saan ini-aim nila yung 3.4 defects, error, or mistake per million opportunities. In short, yung Six Sigma is nakapokus dun sa excellence, sa continuous improvement ng isang organization at sa benefits sa lahat ng stakeholders. Next po, most organization operate at the 3 Sigma level or about 66,800 per million opportunities for most of their processes. So karamihan naman sa mga organization is iba-iba yung ginagawa nilang process. Yung iba doon is may mga error or may mga mistake. So hindi naman lahat ng process are equally important. Yung iba naman doon is important like to make sure your customer orders are perfect. And meron naman na hindi importante tulad ng pagre-request ng time off for vacation. So instead na i-try na i-perfect or i-achieve yung Six Sigma para sa bawat task, which is napaka-expensive and time-consuming nun. Yung mga organization is nagpo-focus na lang doon sa pinaka-importante or ini-improve yung mga areas na most crucial dun sa mga customer na dapat ma-meet mo yung mga expectation nila.
Hello everyone, I'm Armin Alabado. Next is Six Sigma is customer focus. Organization example of success. Why does Six Sigma work as well as it does? Six Sigma is an management approach based on the principle of quality management using data and statistical analysis to improve processes and reduce defects in products and service. The focus of Six Sigma is on customer with the goal of providing them with high quality products and services that meet their needs. Six Sigma is a highly effective problem solving methodology that is commonly used in operational management. Its customer focus approach aligns well with the key principles of customer service, which aims to meet the needs and desires of customers by delivering high-quality products and service. One of the major reasons why Six Sigma is so successful in operational management is its focus on the customer by aligning all activities and processes with the needs of the customer. Organization can create a culture of continuous improvement that leads to better products, service, and customer satisfaction. Additionally, Six Sigma's data-driven approach helps organization gains in-depth knowledge of customers' needs and preferences, which allows them to make informed decisions that will help them stay competitive in the market. Another advantage of Six Sigma's customer focus approach is that it encourages collaboration and communication between departments. This can help organizations identify bottlenecks and inefficiency in their process and work to eliminate them, which can lead to significant improvements in operational efficiency and productivity. Additionally, Six Sigma's focus on data and statistics allows organization to identify trends and patterns in their operations, which can help them predict future needs and take proactive steps to address them before they become problems. This helps organizations stay ahead of their competition and gain a competitive advantage. So in conclusion, Six Sigma's customers focus approach, data-driven decision making, and focus on continuous improvement are key reason why it is so successful in operational management. By aligning all activities and processes with the needs of customer, organization can create a culture of continuous improvement that leads to better products, service, and customer satisfaction.
Good day sir, good day everyone. My name is Kenneth Tumale. At ang topic for today is all about pa rin naman sa Sigma. Ang sabi dito, Six Sigma works for production, service, and transactional process. Base sa pagkakaintindi ko, itong Six Sigma, nagiging proseso siya kung paano nakaka-apekto yung serbisyo at productional na ginagamit nila, 'di ba? Syempre kung maayos yung serbisyo mo o maayos yung yung production na ginagawa mo, syempre mas nakakatulong o mas nagiging big impact sa atin to bilang isang businessman, ganun, 'di ba? Halimbawa, syempre kung ikaw businessman, tapos yung mga trabahador mo, maganda yung serbisyo sa'yo, maganda yung ginagawa nilang product, di ba? Syempre magandang impact yun lalo na sa business mo, di ba? Nakakatulong sila hindi lamang sa'yo, kung hindi sa pagtaas pa ng business mo. Ang sabi pa dito, the Six Sigma movement gain interest in healthcare, financial service, legal service, engineering, consulting, and almost organization. Diba? Nagkakaroon sila ng interest or mas nagkakaroon nitong Six Sigma ng pagtulong dito sa malalaking kumpanya na sinabi nga nila ng healthcare, financial service, diba? Parang natutulungan din nila to hindi lamang sa pagbaba ng mga presyo ng gastos dito, kundi natutulungan din nila ito para na rin sa atin or para na rin sa mga financial service and legal services. At sabi pa dito may 5 uri rin ito. Optimizing equipment usage, di ba? Na-optimize nila o mas napapanatili nilang maayos kung ano nga ba yung mga equipment na ginagamit, katulad nga dun sa healthcare, financial service, and illegal services, and engineering consulting. At ang pangalawa is experience fever, rejects, or error, di ba? Siyempre, sometimes or hindi naman sa lahat ng oras hindi ka nagkakaroon ng error, di ba? Nagkakaroon din tayo ng kaya nga sabi nila dito, experience fever, rejects, or error, di ba? Minsan nagkakaroon talaga ng error or ng pagkakamali doon sa ginagawa nating serbisyo. At ang pangatlo is cutting response to consumer inquiries, di ba? Sobrang dami ng ginagawa sobrang daming ginagawa ng ng healthcare nga sa hospital, di ba? Hindi naman sa lahat ng oras dapat yung tanong ng customer o yung tanong mo bilang isang customer is dapat masagot agad, di ba? Hindi naman ganun yun. At ang pang-apat, reducing inspection, maintenance, inventory, and supply chains, di ba? Nagkakaroon sila ng pagbabawas ng mga kagamitan doon. Di ba? Siguro hindi naman nagagamit o hindi naman na nakakatulong doon sa healthcare na sinasabi nila or engineering ganito, di ba? Parang inaalis na nila yun. At bilang panguli, creating more satisfied customer, external as well as internal, di ba? Ito yung pinakamahalaga bilang isang businessman, di ba? Halimbawa, syempre, kung magtatayo ka ng mga hospital, syempre dapat priority mo yung mga customer. Paano ba masasatisfy yung customer mo? Paano mo sila matutulungan the way na sabihin mo sa kanila in the right way na sir, halimbawa, sir, pasensya na, ganito po, di ba? Parang dapat ipakita mo na masasatisfy yung customer mo na na matutulungan mo sila, di ba? Na yun lang yung aking bahagi. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.
Helps turn over working capital faster. Ibig sabihin nito is tinutulungan niya yung isang organization na mag-operate more efficiently and ma-reduce yung mga defects and errors sa mga process. And kapag yung process ay error-free, mababawasan yung rework or yung corrections which can tie up working capital. Next is reduces capital spending. Dito naman kapag na-apply natin yung Six Sigma sa isang operation, mare-reduce yung capital spending or mare-reduce yung need for additional capital investments. And maglilid yun sa cost savings. Mai-improve yung capital utilization and yung financial efficiency habang na-maintain or even na-enhance pa yung quality ng product or service. Next is makes existing capacity available and new capacity unnecessary. Dito naman po kapag ina-apply ang Six Sigma, nakakatulong rin siya sa process improvement ng isang operation and na-optimize yung quality na-optimize ng quality management yung utilization ng isang existing resources, making them more productive and efficient. And dahil dito nagkakaroon ng additional na available na capacity ng hindi nangangailangan ng new capital investments, which can be a cost-effective strategy for organizations. Next is fosters an environment that motivates employees. Dito kapag daw na-apply yung Six Sigma sa isang organization, it can foster an environment that motivates employees. Siyempre, kapag na-feel ng isang employee na binavalue yung kanilang ideas and contributions, mas nagiging motivated sila magtrabaho and mas nagiging effective sila. Next is improves teamwork and career potential. Dito naman kapag na-apply daw natin ang Six Sigma sa organization ay na-encourage daw yung mga employees to take ownership of their work and mas nagiging collaborative sila and mas nade-develop yung valuable skills nila and doon nag-i-improve yung kanilang career potential.
Good day everyone, I'm Jarnet Gorospe and I will be discussing the DMADV or design versus DMAIC or improvement. DMAIC and DMADV are two methodologies commonly used in Six Sigma, a systematic approach to process improvement. They both aim to improve processes and achieve higher quality results, but they are applied in different situations and have distinct focuses. Here is the key difference between DMAIC and DMADV. DMAIC is the most widely used and recognized Six Sigma methodology. It is used for improving existing processes that are not performing up to desired standard or need optimization. The 5 stages of DMAIC are as follows. First is define. In this stage, the project goals are defined and the problem to be solved is identified. The key stakeholders are involved and the project scope is clarified. The next one is measure. In this stage, relevant data is collected and measured to establish the current performance of the process. Data analysis helps in understanding the root causes of problems. The third one is analyze. The collected data is analyzed to identify patterns, trends, and potential causes of defect or issues. The fourth one is improve. Based on the analysis, improvements are implemented in this stage. Various solutions are tested and the best one is chosen for implementation. The last one is control. Once the improvements are implemented, control measures are established to ensure that the process remains stable and continues to meet the desired performance levels. Monitoring and feedback mechanisms are put in place to sustain the improvements. Next is let's define DMADV. DMADV is another Six Sigma methodology, often referred to as DFSS or Design for Six Sigma. It is used for creation of new processes, products, or services to ensure that they meet specific quality and performance criteria right from the start. The 5 stages of DMADV are as follows. First is define. Similar to DMAIC, the define stage in DMADV focuses on defining the project goals and customer requirements. The key difference is that DMADV projects typically start with a clean slate, often in situations where a new product or process is being developed. Second is measure. In this stage, the critical to quality characteristics are identified and measured. The critical to quality characteristics are the parameters that are crucial for meeting customer requirements and expectations. The third one is analyze. The gathered data is analyzed to be developed and design various alternatives. The analysis aims to understand the relationship between the different variables and how they affect the outcome. The fourth one is design. Based on the analysis, the new process or product is designed in this stage. Design alternatives are evaluated and the best design is selected for information. The last one is verify. In the verify stage, the design solution is verified and validated through pilot runs or simulation. The goal is to ensure that the new process or product performs as expected and meets customer requirements. In summary, DMAIC is used for improving existing processes and solving problems within existing systems, whereas DMADV is used for designing new processes or products from scratch, ensuring that they meet customer requirements effectively and efficiently. Now let's talk about the key roles to deploying Six Sigma successfully. Deploying Six Sigma successfully requires careful planning, dedicated leadership, and active participation from employees at all levels of the organization. Here are the key roles that play a crucial part in the successful implementation of Six Sigma. First is leadership. Senior executives provide the vision, resources, and strategic direction for Six Sigma initiatives. Their commitment and active involvement are crucial for the success of any Six Sigma program. Executives should champion Six Sigma, allocate resources, and remove obstacles to ensure the program success. Second is champion. Champion are high-level executive or managers who are responsible for overseeing the Six Sigma implementation within their respective departments or areas of influence. They provide support to black belts and green belts, help in the selection of projects, and ensure alignment with organization goal. Next is Master Black Belt. Master Black Belts are highly experienced and trained individuals responsible for training and mentoring black belts and green belt. They provide technical expertise, guidance in statistical analysis, and help with project selection. MBB also work closely with champions and help them make strategic decisions related to Six Sigma projects. The next one is Black Belts. Black Belts are full-time Six Sigma professionals who lead and manage complex projects. They are experts in Six Sigma methodologies, statistical analysis, and project management. Black Belts work on project full-time, driving process improvements and achieving significant cost saving and quality improvements. Next is Green Belt. Green Belts are part-time members who work in Six Sigma projects while also performing their regular job responsibilities. They undergo Six Sigma training and contribute to project by providing data, analysis, and process knowledge. Green Belts are typically led by Black Belts and assist in implementing improvement within their respective areas. The next one is project team members. These are employees from various levels and function within the organization who actively participate in Six Sigma projects. They provide subject matter expertise, collect and analyze data, and help implement process improvements. Their involvement and input are critical for the success of specific improvement initiatives. The last one is process owners. Process owners are responsible for the overall performance of a specific process within the organization. They collaborate with Six Sigma teams, provide necessary resources, and support the implementation of recommended improvements. Process owners play a vital role in sustaining the improvements achieved through Six Sigma projects. Having well-defined roles and ensuring that individuals in these roles are adequately trained and supported is essential for the success deployment of Six Sigma within an organization. Effective communication, leadership support, and a culture of continuous improvement are also critical factors in achieving long-term success with Six Sigma initiatives.
Leadership plays a crucial role in Six Sigma implementation and success. Here are some key responsibilities and actions that leaders need to take in relation to Six Sigma. Una na dito ang setting improvement goals. Kailangan tukuyin at iparating ng mga leaders ang isang malinaw na pananaw para sa pagpapatupad ng Six Sigma sa loob ng isang organisasyon. Kabilang dito ang setting goals for process improvement, emphasizing the importance of data-driven agagbuo ng culture na patuloy na nag-i-improve.
Building a strong team. Leadership plays a critical role in selecting and developing the right team members for Six Sigma projects. They should identify individuals with problem-solving skills, analytical thinking, and a commitment to quality improvement. Leaders also need to foster collaboration and create an environment where teams can work together effectively.
Appoint champion. Leaders must act as change agents by actively promoting and supporting Six Sigma initiatives. Kabilang dito ang overcoming resistance, addressing barriers to change at pagpapalakas ng sigasig sa mga empleyado. Dapat imodelo ng mga leaders ang nais na pag-uugali at ipakita ang kanilang pangako para sa patuloy na improvement. Providing guidance and support. Leaders should provide guidance, coaching, and mentoring to Six Sigma project teams. Kailangan nilang sumuporta sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong. Regular check-ins and progress reviews can help leaders monitor project performance and ensure that teams stay on track. Next is providing resources. Ang mga leaders ay may pananagutan sa paglalaan ng mga kinakailangan resources tulad ng budget, oras at mga tauhan upang suportahan ang pagpapatupad ng mga hakbangin ng Six Sigma. Dapat nilang tiyakin na ang mga teams ay may access sa mga tools, trainings at suporta na kinakailangan para sa successful execution.
Role of champions. Champions are usually members of management. The ideal champion is one who wants to sponsor a project and life change. Number 1. Ideas improvement project that meets strategy goals is responsibility for creating a project character. Number 2, identifies and select competent belts and team members. Number 3, mentor and advises on prioritizing, planning, and launching Six Sigma projects. Number 3, remove organizational obstacle that may indent the work of the belts or project teams. Number 4, provides approval and support to implement improvements designed by the project team. Number 5, provide recognition and rewards to the black belts and teams upon successful completion of their projects. Number 6, communicates with executive management and peer as the progress and result associated. Number 7, removes barriers to the team encounter. Number 8, understand and upholds the Six Sigma methodology. Otherwise, the champions guides and support the broader initiative after assisting the steering team in choosing project approaches, following the establishment of criteria and the identification of business unit managers and champions. Projects are chosen based on their potential for revolutionary advancement, prosper for the operational effectiveness, strategy relevance, and high-quality goods and services in the relation to customers' happiness and displeasure as well as savings of the bottom line. The champions and leadership of each business unit support Six Sigma project teams. As influential member of the management, they are expected to promote the application, acceptance, and evolution of the process within their businesses units in the following ways. Number 1, project selection. Project selection is a process to access each group idea and select the project with the highest priority. Projects are still just suggestion at this stage, so the selection is often made based on the only brief description of the project. Number 2, leadership reviews is a formal exercise that evaluates leaders based on their competencies. Therefore, it's crucial to define what leadership competencies are. In simple words, competencies describe leadership qualities, skills, behaviors, and values.
Number 3, project support. It's scheduling meeting and setting agendas for the project team. Number 5, resources allocation. It's the process of identifying all the available resources, whether it's labor or monetary for the project, and then strategically assigning them to the tasks that enable them to do their best work. Number 5, career development. This is the process of learning and utilizing short-term skills to progress towards a long-term professional goals.
Feel the earth move and then
Role of Master Black Belts. Master Black Belts act as a leader of some complicated Six Sigma projects and also provide continuous coaching and mentoring and apply more sophisticated solutions of problems that improve processes inside business. They serve as a competent course toward attainment of operation excellence. Master Black Belts undergo advanced training and can train Black Belts. Their role involves being internal Six Sigma expert and trainers, managing multiple projects and their Black Belts, team supporting continuous and top management, offering technical guidance and mentoring as required to ensure Six Sigma success. First, acting as an internal Six Sigma consultant, trainer, and expert means that Master Black Belts provide guidance and training within the organization, helping teams apply Six Sigma principles effectively. They offer expert advise, share their knowledge, and ensure that Six Sigma methodologies are correctly implemented for process improvement. Second, managing and facilitating multiple projects under Black Belts means that the Master Black Belts oversees and supporting several Six Sigma improvement projects. Simultaneously, they ensure this project progress effectively, guiding and mentoring the Black Belts, leading them to achieve the desired process improvements. Third, supporting and advising champion and executive management in Six Sigma means assessing the guidance of level leaders and champion within an organization in their efforts to implement the Six Sigma methodologies. It involves providing expertise and recommendation to help them make strategic decisions, set goals, and prioritize projects that align with the organization objective. Think of it as being a trusted advisor, helping these key stakeholders understand how Six Sigma can drive improvement, increase efficiency, and achieve goals. Fourth, providing technical support and mentoring in Six Sigma means offering assistance and guidance to improve. Providing technical support and mentoring in Six Sigma means offering assistance and guidance to individual or teams involved in Six Sigma project. It involves helping them understand and apply the principles and tools of Six Sigma to improve processes and achieve quality and efficiency goals. Think of it as being a knowledgeable and supportive mentor, helping others navigate the world of Six Sigma and providing expertise and advice when they encounter challenges or have a question.
Hi, I'm Kitimian Nistaki, and I'm here to discuss to you the role of Black Belt in Six Sigma. Before we move forward to the topic, what is a Black Belt? There are different types or level of belt for Lean Six Sigma or Six Sigma, where white, yellow, green, black, master, and champion. These belts are a way of recognizing and designating the level of expertise of involvement of individuals with Lean Six Sigma or Six Sigma framework. Each level corresponds to a different skill set and level of responsibility, with the higher level belts having more extensive knowledge and greater leadership roles in process improvement projects. But for our topic now is we're gonna focusing on the black belt only. So what is black belt? Black belt are experts in Lean Six Sigma. They lead complex improvement projects, mentor green belts, and play a significant role in achieving organizational goals related to quality and process improvement. If you're familiar or black belt fighter in martial art, it's also the same with the black belt role for Six Sigma. How can I say that? Ano bang iniisip ng mga tao when they heard a black belt? Diba, ang una nating maisip is yung mga black belt fighters sa martial arts. And so, hindi na tayo lalayo dun sa topic na ito kasi it's the same as in martial arts because these two are related to each other. It only in the sense that there are titles or designations signifying expertise. So, in Tagalog, ang black belts ay mga expert na sa kanilang field. Hindi pa mastered but professionally responsible, aware and knowledgeable of their skills. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ang pagiging black belt in Lean Six Sigma is a highly skilled and versatile professional who plays a critical role in driving process improvement, reducing defects, and enhancing the overall quality of products and services within an organization. Their capabilities extend to project management, data analysis, problem solving, and leadership, and they are valuable assets in achieving continuous improvement and operational excellence. Merong mga tinatawag na list of topic of black belt. These list of topics are what you need to learn and understand to become a certified black belt in Lean Six Sigma. They cover various skills and knowledge areas for leading improvement projects. Pero hindi ko na masyadong ipapaliwanag dahil masyadong complex itong black belt. Pero bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng one-word description each topics and also a short description para hindi kayo maligaw at maintindihan nyo kung ano ang dapat gawin para maging black belt. So, number 1 is critical team leadership and facilitation skills. Na ibig sabihin na guidance. Bakit? Kasi black belts provide guidance to teams to lead process improvement projects effectively. Sumunod naman din yung Six Sigma methodology, which is approach. Bakit siya approach? Kasi Six Sigma methodology is the approach or systematic method used to improve processes. Sumunod naman yung core improvement tools. Ibig sabihin daw dito ay instruments daw po ang core improvement tools. Kasi they are the instruments or techniques used for data analysis and process improvement. Sumunod naman dyan yung use of an appropriate statistical software. Na ibig sabihin po daw dyan ay programs po yan. Kasi po, ang statistical software programs sa black belts analyze data and make informed decisions. Sumunod naman po yung measurement system analysis. Ang ibig sabihin na po ay examination. Bakit? Kasi ang black belts examine data and processes to identify areas for improvement. Sumunod ay determining process capability, which is capacity. Kasi determining process capability is about assessing the capacity of a process to meet specifications. Next is process mapping, which is a visualization because process mapping involves creating visual representation to understand and communicate processes. Quality function deployment naman ang next, which is implementation, kasi ang black belts implement process improvements and ensure they are put into practice. Next one is FMEA, which is failure mode effect and critically analysis. Ang ibig sabihin niya na taking risk or risk, kasi failure mode and effect analysis identifies and addresses risk and process. Next is basic statistical method, which is data. Kasi statistics involve working with data to make informed decisions about process improvements. So, ayun yung ilan ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yun ang 10 topic list for black belt. Bukod dyan, meron din tayong another 10 topics sa list natin, which is yung correlation and regression, hypothesis testing using attribute and variables data, yung ANOVA, analysis of variance, DOE, design of experiments, EVOC, evolutionary operations, Lean Enterprise Principles and Tools, Mistake Proofing, SPC, Statistical Process Control Plan. So, ito, ipapaliwanag ko rin naman to. Pero, ayun. Ang correlation and regression, ang ibig sabihin niya ay relationship daw. Bakit? Kasi analyzing correlation and relationship between variables in a process. Sumunod is hypothesis. Ang ibig sabihin niya assumption, ito daw ay hypothesis testing involves making and testing assumptions about process changes. Sumunod yung ANOVA. Analysis of variance identifies and quantifies variation in different factors. Sumunod ang DOE, experimentation. It is a design of experiments involves structured experimentation to optimize process. Sumunod yung EVOC, evolutionary operations entails adapting and improving process through experimentation. Sumunod yung Lean principles and tools focus on making processes more efficient and eliminating waste. Sumunod is mistake proofing, aims to prevent errors and defects in processes. Sumunod ay statistic process control, ang ibig sabihin na statistical. Process control involves monitoring process to ensure they stay within control limits. Sumunod is process control means regulating and maintaining stable, consistent. And lastly is transfer to operations, which is an over. Bakit handover? Kasi ang black belts ensure a smooth handover of improved processes to regular operations. So, in short, kasi itong list na to, ito yung magiging guide. Kung gusto mong maging black belt, itong sinasabi ko, itong sinabi ko kanina, ito yung magiging guide sa inyo para maging black belt kayo sa Six Sigma. So, in short, black belt in Six Sigma is like becoming a skilled leader and a problem solver. These experts use tools, data, and teamwork to make things work better. They help organizations improve their processes, reduce mistakes, and satisfy customers. It's all about making things run smoothly and efficiently, and it's a valuable skill to have in the world of business and quality management. So, ganun lang po ang black belt. At meron pa pong mga ipapang level for a Six Sigma. At i-discuss yun ng mga susunod pa mga reporters. So now I may call on Marshall for the topic about role of green belts.
Role of green belts. Ang mga empleyado nagiging miyembro ng bawat pangkat ng proyekto ay madalas na pumapasok sa proseso sa pamamagitan ng pagiging green belts. Ang isang green belt ay nangangailangan ng humigit kumulang 8 araw ng pagsasanay sa pangkalahatang 6 na sigma ng mga pamamaraan ng pagpapahusay at mga kasangkapan. Nagiging pangunahing miyembro ng team sila sa isang proyekto sa antas ng black belt o maaring maging pinuno ng mga proyektong mas maliit ang saklaw. Bawat linggo, sa silid-aralan ay sinusundan ng 4 hanggang 5 linggo ng praktikal na aplikasyon sa parehong mga proyekto, pabalik sa kanilang mga unit ng negosyo. Kung maayos ang pagpili, ang mga paunang proyektong ito ay magbubunga ng makabuluhang bottom line savings at kadalasang nagbabalik ng higit sa buong investment ng pagsasanay. Ang bawat proyekto ay nakatarget na makatipid ng hindi bababa sa $100,000 to $250,000 ROI bawat proyekto.
Process owners typically occupying high supervisory or managerial roles within an organization play a crucial role in ensuring the successful creation of products, goods, service, or information. Their involvement is particularly significant during the improve and control phases of the project, where their responsibilities encompass various key aspects. First is defining possible solution to the proven causes of the problem. Process owners collaborate with their teams to identify and define potential solution to address the root causes of the problem, laying the foundation for improvement. Next is planning for dealing with cultural resistance. Recognizing that change may be met with resistance, process owners are responsible for developing strategies to manage cultural resistance within the organization. This involves fostering and supportive environment for change and ensuring that team members are aligned with the improvement goals. Next is conducting pilot evaluation of possible solution. Before full-scale implementation, process owners oversee the execution of pilot evaluation to test and refine the proposed solution. This phase allows for the identification of any unforeseen issue and optimization of the chosen solution. Next is implementing the selective improvements. Once the most effective solution has been identified and refined, process owners oversee their implementation, ensuring that changes are integrated smoothly into the organization operation. Next is designing the control plan and applying it to every maintenance of process performance. Process owners are responsible for creating a control plan that outline the strategy and measure to maintain the improved process performance over time. They ensure that these control mechanisms are seamlessly integrated into daily operation. Lastly is disbanding the teams after project completion and turning full responsibility back to the operation force. As the project nears completion, process owners oversee the transition of responsibilities back to the regular operating force. This phase involves disbanding the project teams and ensuring that the organization can independently maintain the improved process. That's all.
So now let's discuss the Lean Six Sigma Development Roadmap. This roadmap is also called as the roadmap to change or transformation roadmap. It is a guide to enable your organization to move through 5 change management phases: decide, prepare, launch, expand, and sustain. In the decide phase, so maraming mga factors kung bakit kailangan i-transform ang isang business. They can be competitive, regulatory, financial, customer-driven, or cultural. So, kailangan nilang gumawa ng decision to change certain factors that is need to be considered. Number 2 is prepare. Upon deciding on the direction and gaining agreement, senior management must be prepared to articulate the strategy, direction, and plan to achieve the transformation. Number 3, ito yung phase of activity where you begin to educate the organization on the transformation direction, what values will change, what behaviors are expected, what will be the support structure to assist in the transformation, and how people will be measured and evaluated. Kailangan ipakita sa bawat individual kung ano and kung paano gagawin yung mga bagay-bagay in a different manner. Number 4 is expand. This phase of the roadmap is literally an expansion into all other parts of the organization as the cultural transformation begins to take on a life of its own. The last phase is sustain. So once na na-reach na ng isang organization yung phase na to, they will be somewhere between 2.5 to 4 years in the maturity cycle.